ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again, and today is an exciting day. Okay, I got my camera like 2 weeks ago, and I'm so excited. Like, I finally just was like, you know what, I need a camera. I want my quality to be way better, and I want to produce better content, you know, not only for my subscribers but for me as well. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just buy this damn camera. I've been doing YouTube for over a year. Let me just buy it. So a few weeks ago, I purchased this beautiful Canon. This beautiful Canon, excuse me, bear with me. This beautiful Canon SL2, okay? So this is the Canon Rebel SL2. Beautiful camera. Okay, look at that, look at that. Ooh. DSLR, of course. You know, you can change the lens and all of that. Beautiful viewfinder. Okay. Honestly, guys, I didn't know anything about this camera. All I knew was that it was cheap. Well, it wasn't that cheap, but it wasn't that expensive either. I just got paid, so I was like, you know what, let me just buy this camera. I didn't pay full price because I did buy it off of QVC. If you guys don't know what QVC is, like, really, come on. QVC is basically where you can buy something and pay like 3 payments of it, of what it will cost. So basically, if you buy something that's $80, or if you purchase something that's $80, they will tell you it's 4 payments of $20. So that's basically what I did. The camera by itself is $549, but with all the accessories that I got, it was like almost $800. So I'm basically paying 4 payments of like $180. That's fine with me because I have my insurance, my 3-year insurance that covers spills, drops, and mechanical issues. Okay, so I'm really happy with my purchase. I honestly just bought it off the wing, guys. I just bought it randomly. I really wanted the Canon T7i, T6i, whichever one, or the Canon 70D, but those were a little bit too expensive for me. So I was like, you know what, let me just buy this one. I don't know why. Something just said, just get this one. So I was so happy because I didn't even do any reviews on it or anything. So I'm so happy that, you know, I bought it. You know, as soon as I purchased it, like maybe like the next day, I went on YouTube and I watched this female's video, and she was basically saying like 10 reasons on why you should buy it. So she was basically saying like, one, it's way smaller than the other cameras, like the T6i, T5i, all the other old cameras, the Canon 70D. She said it's way smaller and way lighter where you can take it with you. And this camera is not heavy at all. Like, guys, it's really not heavy. She said it's more compact where you could take it on the go with you. She said that it has a lot of the features that the other cameras have. This camera did come out, and this camera came out last year of like, I think August, September or something like that. I'm so proud that I bought this camera. I'm happy. I have so much to learn because I don't know anything, guys. I really don't know nothing about cameras. Some of it is common sense, but then some of it is like, oh, I need help. Like, it's so crazy. Like, my best friend is trying to help me, you know, my little brother's trying to help me get to know this camera. You know, I'm trying to get to know myself. Like, you know, I know how to do this. So I'm going to show you guys what I can. Came in this box, okay? So here's the box here with the picture, okay, and it came with these lenses, which you can take off. I believe I gotta press something though. Yeah, so it came with these lenses like this. Okay, and then you just push it back in. You have to hear it click. Okay, is it on? And it's very easy to put on, guys. The on and off buttons is here. Okay, It also came with a manual, so always read the manual. And before you buy a camera, don't be like me and just buy it randomly. I'm lucky enough to have bought this camera because it is fairly new, and it has a lot of the features that the other heavy cameras have. I will leave the female's video down below on the 10 reasons why you should buy this camera. It's really not that expensive, and she also said that she would have bought, if she knew about this camera before she bought her Canon 70D or 80D, she would have bought this one. You know, it seems pretty common sense, but if you know nothing about cameras, if you never had a camera before, you will be just like me. Okay, it also came with this beautiful, very, you know, travel friendly bag here. It kind of reminds me of a lunch bag. Came with this, you know, just open it. And for dumb people like me, please read your manual. Okay, read your manual. So yeah, it came with this manual, and it has 3 different languages: English, French, or Spanish. Okay, very thick book. With these to put on the lenses. When you're not recording and you're finished with your camera, to protect the lenses, you want to put this on. Okay, so when you put this on, it's protecting the lenses and to keep it clean and scratch free. Okay, and with this is one of those strings to put on the camera so you can hold it on your arm. I'm scared to do that. Yeah, this goes around the camera so you can put it on your arm and hold it, but I'm really scared to do that. Like, I feel like with me it's gonna fall and I'm gonna be very pissed, so I'll see about that. Okay, oh, so the lens that it comes with in the set is, I believe this is like a 50, is it on here? Yeah, 18-55 millimeters. So this is the one that like all cameras kind of come with if you buy it in a pack or something. These lenses, the 1855, okay, and then it also came, which was amazing because lenses cost a lot of money, so it also came with this one, which is the EF75-300. Also came with these lenses. I didn't open it yet, but I'll open it for you guys so you guys can see. Ooh, this is so amazing, guys. So yes, it came with this. It's wrapped in this, and this is it. I think this is like for way better shooting. Look at that. Okay, very pretty. That's amazing. Ooh, look how long. Wow. Yes, guys, so this must be the other beautiful lens, the better lens that they gave me on top of the other lenses. So I got 2 lenses, bag, and you know, that's about it. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my purchase. I like when I make big purchases, and I'm happy with it. So I'm halfway of paying it down. You can pay once a month, you know, so it's 4 payments. And they don't do credit check, guys, if you guys are wondering. You know, this may work for some people. Some people don't like to owe any money. Some people like to just pay one fee and go. But for me, I feel like this was better for me, instead of me just spitting out a whole $800,000 on a camera. Like, you know, and don't buy anything used. Always buy new stuff and get insurance. If you buying anything over $20, you need to get insurance on it. Some people say I'm doing too much, but you should get insurance on whatever you invest in, okay? So yes, got a camera. I'm pretty excited. You guys will see how great my quality will start looking. You know, it's gonna be times when I have to record with my phone. There's gonna be times when most of the time I'll be recording with this. So definitely look out for my update with this, and I'm gonna do like a 3-month update on, you know, how far I got with this camera and what I think and whatever. But so far I'm loving this camera. I would say if you're interested in buying a camera, definitely get this one. I'll just show you guys some of the things I did. So you just want to turn it on, okay? I took some pictures earlier. I just love them. Like, quality looks amazing, guys. Quality looks great. Okay guys, so this is actual footage from the camera that I uploaded to this video. I actually took this on this camera, and as you can see, the quality is way better than what you guys are used to seeing. And I just love how it focuses on, you know, back on my face, and I just freaking love it. So just wait until I actually master this camera. It's gonna be on, okay guys? You guys can just see the quality of this camera. This is actually the actual first picture I took. This is a picture of my porch that I took. As you guys can see, it's so detailed and just beautiful. These pictures are not edited at all. I hope my best friend don't kill me, but this picture is not edited and it's freaking gorgeous. Okay. Just the quality is just amazing. Like, oh my god. I did record on this camera earlier, but my battery acted like it wanted to die, so I had to turn this camera on instead. But yeah, I noticed like with these type of cameras, the batteries die quick. So if you plan on doing a makeup video, it's I don't know, like, okay, this camera stops at 30 minutes. Like after 30 minutes you have to press record again, okay, because it'll say, oh, you exceeded the time span of recording a video. So that's the only thing I kind of don't like, because what if you're so into it that you don't even know that your camera stopped, and it doesn't even have like a flash. Like my phone actually has a flash while I'm recording, so if it goes off, I know that it stopped recording. If it's still on, I know it's still recording, you know. But with this, is like, the good thing is it has the viewfinder. You can just flip it over like so, okay, and you're able to see yourself. I think that's amazing. It also has built-in Wi-Fi. Fucking bomb, okay? Like, I get to, whatever I do here, I get to upload it to my computer or straight to my phone, because I was wondering, like, where's the cord at, you know. And then I also heard that the audio is not that loud, so you're gonna need a mic. So I definitely will invest in getting a mic. And the mic port goes here, okay, okay. And yeah, like, that's all I really have to say right now, because I'm still getting the hang of this camera. I just wanted to show you guys how excited I am, you know, after doing YouTube using my phone, still using the S8 to record. I'm so happy. Like, when I got my camera, I was like crying tears of joy, just so excited and happy that I can afford to buy a camera, because doing YouTube or doing anything that involves photography or cameras, whatever, cameras are not cheap. Like, they're really not. So I would say, if you are serious about YouTube or whatever you're doing, definitely invest in a camera. But listen, phones do the same thing. Like, some phones have really good cameras. Some people didn't even know that I was using a cell phone to record. A lot of people I know record with their phone. There's nothing wrong with it, but I am happy that I invested in this camera. And I just plan on perfecting my craft, perfecting me, and getting the hang of it. Because I be seeing people with their thing, like they just be pros, and I know that it took them some time to learn how to work cameras. So I just need to, you know, watch more videos and definitely hit up Best Buy, ask for a you know, a little class on it, because what I like about Best Buy too, they do have classes on cameras. Like, you know, you can set up a appointment and they'll have a little class for you. Stay tuned for my 3-month review on this. On my neck, rock on my wrist.